Hello, I am Michael Roberts, Chief Technology Officer of EconoLux Industries. Today, we're going to give you a peek behind the scenes of the EconoLux LED Fabricating facility in Shenzhen. This is where we make our custom COBs and other LEDs for use in our advanced grow lights and other products. Having our own LED production facility gives us the benefit of being able to make custom LEDs rather than relying on stock LEDs. With this advantage, we can make various formats of custom LEDs and special purpose COBs which would not ordinarily be available on the market. When we make our LED products, we use only high-quality BridgeLux and EpiLED dies, sometimes called chips, imported from Taiwan and other countries, not cheap domestically produced LED dies. When a batch of dies or chips arrives at the EconoLux factory, each set of dies to be used in our advanced COBs is tested to ensure that it is the specified wavelength. This is a time and labor-intensive process, but we do this to ensure top quality products. Here we see one of our staff mounting a set of dies which are on the blue plastic sheet onto a holder which goes into one of our pick and place machines. We have the most advanced die pick-and-place machines available for COB assembly. Here you can see the machine picking up 0.45mm dies, chips, from the round blue platform on the right, and then placing them in the correct position and orientation onto the COB boards on the left. Using machine vision and lasers, the pick-and-place machine ensures that each die is correctly placed onto the COB and displays it on the monitor. When we make some of our more complex COBs, we use as many as 24 different bands or wavelengths of LEDs. In order to place all of these bands, we use multiple passes through the special machine, which you will note has 3 platforms to hold LED dies, so it can hold 3 different bands at once. This machine can also handle COB boards of 1 meter long so that we can make LED boards for fluorescent tube replacements. After the dies are inserted into the COBs, they must be interconnected with fine gold wires, a process called wire bonding. EconoLux uses 99.99% pure gold wire for wire bonding our COBs. Some other manufacturers use cheaper 99.9% gold wire, and some even use aluminum wire to cut costs. Here we can see some 3030 SMD LEDs being wire bonded with an automated machine. In the next step, our preliminary quality control department makes sure the LEDs and the COBs are all operating correctly before sending them to the phosphor coating department. Once the COBs have passed preliminary QC, this machine places a custom white plastic retainer onto the COBs in order to hold the phosphor liquid in place. Our COBs are coated with our own proprietary phosphors as well as standard phosphors. Here we see some of our computerized phosphor coating machines that can coat the needed phosphor with the correct placement and thickness. After the phosphor has been placed onto the COBs, we bake them in precision temperature-controlled ovens to harden the phosphor before we send them to final quality control. In our final QC department, we inspect and test each COB or SMD LED to ensure there are no problems or defects. Our grow light COBs are also aged, that is run full power for 12 to 24 hours to ensure that they meet our exacting standards. We hope that you have enjoyed this brief look at the EconoLux LED fabrication facility. It is our devotion to excellence that has enabled EconoLux Industries to create the world's first line of HD, multi-band, LED COBs that have a 95+% match to the McCree curve. Thanks for watching.